What's going on YouTube and all my fellow FX30 shooters or even FX3 shooters? I'm reaching out because I am in need of some help. I'm in the process of building my vertical rig. I have the tilted cage here, the tilted top handle on the side here, and I also have the tilted side handle on the top. So this is a nice right side setup, but I'm having trouble with the base plate here. I have another side handle that has a screw, but the two screws don't line up. This is a small rig one. When I put it in here, as you can see, I can tighten it all the way tight, but it still wants to wobble, which is not good. I'm trying to find something that is quick release. Like I love this NATO rail top handle and the NATO rail side because I can just clip it and take it off. But my issue is, here. I need to have a handle, but I wasn't sure with this configuration if there's a side handle that would fit the base plate, or is there any other options besides having to add another plate, a NATO rail plate, and then get another NATO rail side handle to put it here. That would complete my rig because then I can move it as I would like to. But yeah, so if you have any suggestions or if you know of anything, please leave it in the comments below. I really appreciate it.